I would like to give you an update on the SlidesYearbook Portrait script that I am currently writing. So here's the script, and here is the menu that is created. The very first step is to gather portraits. When this comes up, you'll have to, of course, accept all the permissions that come up. This is in beta. It will say it's unsafe, but select it. And down here at the bottom, you see where it says Form Responses. Here are the directions we're going to do. Click OK. Come, Edit Form. Now, I have to decide whether or not I want to keep this email requirement, but we have our sections, first name, last name, and upload portrait. Notice there's a comment that says change file to upload. That means come right here, change to file upload. I'm not sure how to code that to be automatic quite yet. So then I'm going to view it, and I am going to hand input each piece of the information. 8th grade, first name, last name, and then of course uploading the individual picture. So let's look at what it looks like after all this information has been entered. I come back up to the menu, and I am going to prepare sheets, and it's 16 portraits on a sheet. Notice on the bottom it says the form responses 1, sheet 1, and I click. And watch down at the bottom or at the top, all this red, all this color going, and we have use for merge. Perfect. Next step is the share settings. Now, I haven't figured out how to do this yet, so right now it's just a message that says I have to change the share so anyone can view. So I come right here, and oh, give me a moment. I need to go to Form, Edit Form, Responses. I come down to the bottom, and I am going to make sure that the share is anyone with the link can view. All right, next step. SlidesYearbook, we've done 1, we've done 2, we've done 3. Let's do Portrait Template. Portrait Template is running. I should have a message pop up. And give me a few minutes. And you'll notice I've received an email. And from here, I can make a copy. I'm going to click on Use Template so that it is mine. And I can make changes to it, what have you. Alright, so I've done all that. What's the next step? Launch Autocrat Add-on, Autocrat, and open. And I'm not sure what's going on here. I'll figure it out. But we have test. And next, we want to select from Drive. The email I just sent you, you should have selected Use Template. And select it. Click on Next. And we are in Use for Merge. Everywhere there is an image, we have to change it to from Standard to Image. And I'm going to do that 16 times. And where it says name, I'm going to keep name. And you're going to notice that name is there 16 times. All right, next. All right, I'm going to call this Yay, because I'm super excited. I'm going to change this to single output mode. Click on Next. I have a folder. I click Save. And are you ready for the magic? I'm going to click over here to Merge so that we can come and see this happen. So there's nothing over where it says AH, AI, and AJ. And I'm just going to hit Run. Come over here, I click on the link, and here are the yearbook portraits. And if I come right here, I want to change this layout to odd page so that it moves over to the right margin. I guess I still have some work to do, but I am super, super excited about this.